Want to switch your DoorDash app between English and Spanish? There are three simple methods to change your language settings. The first method is changing the language directly within the DoorDash app. Open the app and tap your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right. Navigate to Account or Preferences in the settings, then look for the language option. Select your preferred language, either English or Spanish, and confirm the changes. The app will refresh and display in your chosen language. The second method uses your device's system settings. On iOS devices, go to Settings, then General, then Language and Region, and finally iPhone language. DoorDash will automatically detect and adapt to your system language preference, making this a convenient option. For Android users, the third method involves going to Settings, then System, then Languages and Input, and finally Languages. Just like with iOS, DoorDash will automatically adapt to your Android system language preference. New users are also prompted to select a language during the initial app setup. The app may even suggest Spanish in areas with a high Hispanic population, making the language selection process even more convenient. DoorDash's multilingual support isn't just a nice feature. It's essential for serving America's diverse population. With over 62 million Spanish speakers across the United States, language accessibility directly impacts user engagement and business success. The impact on user engagement is remarkable. Bilingual users show significantly higher app retention rates, increased order frequency, and much better customer satisfaction scores when they can use the app in their preferred language. DoorDash's technical implementation is sophisticated. The platform provides real-time translation of menus and restaurant information, with frequently accessed translations cached locally for faster loading. When translations aren't available, the system gracefully falls back to English text. The business impact is substantial. Companies offering native language experiences see significantly higher customer lifetime value in Hispanic markets. This represents a competitive advantage worth nearly $2 trillion in Hispanic purchasing power across the United States. Looking ahead, DoorDash continues expanding language support. Portuguese, French, and Chinese are in testing phases, with regional customizations and enhanced accessibility features planned. This commitment to multilingual support positions DoorDash as a leader in inclusive technology.